What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I want to talk to you about my AGV K5S. This is the Darkstorm version. Comes in a matte black and red. There's also a matte black and yellow version. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this helmet with my own money, so I feel like I'm in a good position to give a real honest review of this helmet. I'm not getting paid to say anything of this, so I can say whatever I want. Now, the first thing I noticed about this helmet, the K5S, was the level in quality. AGV call this a premium sport helmet. Retail price is around £299, but you can find it cheaper. It's made from a carbon fiberglass shell with 4 density EPS foam for the liner. It's got a crown cushion pad, got a cushion pad on the chin strap, a premium material, and there's no exposed stitching. It's not scratchy. AGV is a brand known for quality. There's no pressure points around the top of your brow or on your cheeks. My head's kind of long and square. This is the large one, which comes in at 59 to 60 centimeters. I'm probably bang in the middle of that at 59 and a half, so this fits me really well. I was really pleased with the quality of this when I bought it and when I put it on for the first time. It's definitely an upgrade from my K3. Comes with a clear visor, super easy to change the visor out if you want to swap it for a tinted one. Just pull on this tab here, just pull that tab and the visor pops off. The different visors that you can get, so you get different tints, gold, silver, iridium blue and smoke. Put this one back nice and easy, pull that tab down, press the visor in, locks it back in place. AGV also sends you out these removable inserts so that you can adjust the positions. You can swap out these inserts, so it's customizable if you wanted to be able to change the positions that the visor will lock in. You've also got the micro opening for the visor, so this is a little tab that you can slide up if you only wanted to open the visor, just a small crack for some ventilation. 5 adjustable vents on the front, 2 up on the top there, 1 on the very top, 2 in the chin that you can open and close. 2 exhaust ports on the back. Really lightweight, really quiet, really stable in the wind as well. We've got the integrated spoiler. There's really good airflow across it. Very stable. And I ride a Ducati Monster, so I'm exposed to the wind. But with this, my head's not getting buffeted around. Nice and stable, very quiet. Next thing I want to talk about, you've got this internal sun visor. So if you were riding around, you've got the visor up, but you want to protect your eye, you've also got this internal visor. There's a tab on the side of the helmet, just flick that down and you've also got this internal visor there. This is also removable, so you can swap this out for different tints or clear. So that is it, the AGV K5S Darkstorm version. So all in all, yeah, really happy with it. It's definitely a step up from an entry-level helmet. I think we all know that AGV is a really good brand. You can trust their build quality. The only thing that I can see in the future is maybe how it's going to handle with stone chips. But I mean, that's just down to the fact that this is a matte helmet, which the look is probably achieved with a wrap. So take good care of it and I'm sure it'll be fine. But you know, you can't help with stone chips and everything. Definitely worth considering something like the K5S if you're moving from being a beginner, if you've got basic gear and you want to move into something a little more premium, but you don't want to splash out to something like things like the full carbon fiber helmets. But that's it from me. That is just a little bit of a review, some of my thoughts on some of the gear that I use. Also on this channel, I'm building a CR125. I'm restoring a Honda 2-stroke. There'll be a playlist up here so you can check that out. Now, if you got anything out of this video, if you enjoyed the review, hit that like button. And if you're interested in watching me review some other gear, then hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one. It's a carbon fiberglass outer shell. I've got kind of a large head. Have I got a large head? You have to tell me. Subscribe if you're not already. If you got anything out of this video, hit the like button and I will see you once that plane f***s off.